is an eagle. It has a hook-like beak. Where are the eagles? Go and look for them. I found them! Eagles live high up on the treetop. The eaglets are learning to fly. The eaglet is a little scared. Its mother encourages it to fly. Drag the eaglet. Don't bump into trees. Wow! The eaglet has finally learned how to fly! Great work! The eagle comes to the sea to look for food. Make sure to find this fish. Wow! The eagle is really fast! Make sure to find this fish. It caught a fish! Fantastic! Make sure to find this fish. And another one! Make sure to find this fish. Wow! The eagle is really fast! Make sure to find this fish. It caught a fish! Fantastic! Make sure to find this fish. And another one! Wonderful! So many fish! Daddy Eagle has found so much food! All the eaglets have eaten their fill. They're so happy. I had a great time playing with you, my friend. Eagle! Let's play again next time.